Bye-bye, castle! Bye-bye! Wow, well that's very good news. I made it to the petrol station, which I'm very happy about. Bye-bye, castle! Oh, ow, bye-bye, castle! Oh, see you next time! Bye-bye, castle! Bye-bye! Oh, my hazards are on again! Oh my god. That light is so dim. I need to fix that. Also, I left my ignition on all night long, meaning that my coil packs are energized all night long, hoping that they still work. And I also have the only petrol I have left in the Black Pearl is the petrol in the pipes. So I hope I can roll all the way down that hill and get there. Wow, well that's very good news. I made it to the petrol station, which I'm very happy about. So we can at least start the day with a full tank of fuel.
We drove to Milan. No, Madrid. That'll be the one. And we had the smoothest drive on the day.
We've drove to Milan.
Until the car park was closed. And then there was a little bit of an issue with some one-way streets that we decided to make our-way streets. We're driving south.
We're not peaking because Simon's not allowed.
No, we're just driving south, that's all I know. According to today's sheet, we have 5.5 hours. And an easy day, a motorway day.
Share, aren't we, Simon?
Yes. We share. Oh no, we didn't share today at all.
No, yeah. You kept sitting in the driver's seat.
Yeah, I did forget today.
Ross, how did you get on with your fans today?
There is actually a problem. No. I'm not sure if it's overheating now. He doesn't listen, does he?
Do you see what I'm trying to say here? There's actually a problem.
The fans are working at full speed when they come on and are required to work at full speed.
So let's just wrap it up with, are you going to make it?
Yeah, of course we are.
Okay, then we're won't even have this conversation where he's going to make it.
No.
He's going to make it. Give us a wave. It's so cheesy, but it's perfect.
Thank you, Marco, for arranging a lovely meal at a Mexican restaurant.
I didn't do very much,
The
but
tacos were wonderful. And the nachos, I had a margarita. First margarita I've ever had.
Really?
No, it's been a great fun evening. Thank you very much, and we look forward to tomorrow. Reporting Scotland, back to the studio.
Right, so we've had a night in Madrid.
We haven't had a night in Madrid.
We had a personal,
a very quiet night in Madrid.
we had a personal tour guide called Yemi, who kept finding us very alternative places to go. She kept popping up all around Madrid, and everywhere we went, she seemed to appear and take us into places. But apart from that, we had a good meal, Mexican meal, and then then we went out for a few drinks, and it's been a really good night, hasn't it?
It has. I never danced.
Time 2:54. We've got a 5-hour drive tomorrow.
Oh man, I need my bed tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep in the car. I'll be good. I'll be good.
This is my second attempt filming this. Oh, ow, bye castle.
I don't know what else to say, so I'm just going to continue walking to a bar.
You started it.
Well, it's because it was the beginning of those big chats about your cooling system. I thought I better record this. This is good.
We'll get there.
It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Right, okay, back to the tequila.